In this video, I'll talk briefly about the Polyroots finder function on your calculator. It tends to be more useful when you're dealing with complex roots, but it can be used for real roots as well. So imagine over on the left, I have some polynomial like this cubic, and I want to find the roots, so it's equated to 0. I want to find the values of x that give this function's output of 0. So my preference typically would be to graph the function. So if I weren't going to use polyroots, I would just graph the function and find the zeros. However, let's talk through how we could use the polyroots function. So if I go to Menu, Algebra, and then Polynomial Tools and find roots of polynomial, I need to tell it the degree of the polynomial, so the highest power, in this case it's a cubic, the highest power is 3. And here I'm only interested in real roots. Where this becomes powerful is when you want to see some complex roots because you can't see them graphed. So for now we'll leave it as real because I can see that this has 3 real roots based on that graph. I hit OK and it asks me for the coefficients in front of each of the powers of x. So my coefficient in front of x cubed is 1, in front of x squared in this case is -1, in front of x is -5, and 3 here. And I hit OK. Before I do that, just notice the limitation of this polyroots function is that you have to equate the polynomial to 0 and it has to be in this expanded form. So if you've got this in factorized form and you want it to be equal, you want to solve for x when it's equal to 3, you can't use the polyroots function. I hit OK and it's already formatted it nicely, so all I have to do is press enter and it gives me my 3 roots of this cubic function: -2.09, 0.572, and 2.51.